What's the meaning of academe? Academe. 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 Academe is a noun that refers to the world of academia, or the community of scholars and researchers. It can also refer to a particular institution of higher learning, such as a college or university. The word academe comes from the Greek word Academe, which was the name of a grove in Athens where Plato taught his students. In modern usage, academe is often used to refer to the intellectual and scholarly world, and to the values and traditions associated with higher education. Here are some examples of how the word academe can be used in a sentence. She is a rising star in Academe. The new research center will be a major addition to the Academe. The Academe is often seen as a place of ivory towers and intellectual elitism.